Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of unique designs or ideas of Halloween theme cakes. For this year Halloween, you can create any of these ideas to create these sort of trendy and unique ideas that nowadays people will love to create for these sort of ideas on Halloween parties to celebrate it with their family or friends. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and create any of them. In this video, I bring some latest or some creepy ideas of Halloween theme cakes that people will love to create these sort of unique, spectacular ideas for Halloween to celebrate it with their family or friends. People will love to create some unique or trendy ideas for different events like Halloween and some other events like birthdays, Christmas events, or parties they celebrate with their family or friends. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas by using different scary pumpkin decoration ideas, or carving decorations can be created on these cakes, or you can create different graveyard theme cake ideas for Halloween. Some scary skull theme or spider theme cakes can also be created. You can create ideas according to a party you want to throw it in your house with your family or friends, or if you choose a costume or some particular thing for that party, you can create your cake designs or decorations according to it. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest or creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video or create any of them. So keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.